A garden does not always need constant trimming to look organized. Some plants naturally hold their shape as they grow. They stay compact, balanced, and visually stable throughout the seasons. These plants are often overlooked, but they quietly define structure, rhythm, and order in a garden. In this video, we are looking at plants that maintain a clean form with minimal intervention. They do not sprawl aggressively, they do not collapse easily, and they do not require frequent correction. They simply grow into themselves. First, boxwood. Boxwood is known for its dense, slow-growing habit. It forms a tight structure that holds its outline over time. This makes it useful for borders, low hedges, and framing garden beds. Even without regular pruning, it tends to stay compact and controlled. Boxwood works well in USDA Zones 5 to 9. It prefers well-drained soil and consistent moisture. Next, blue fescue. This is a compact ornamental grass with a naturally rounded shape. It forms small, tidy mounds with fine blue-gray foliage. Blue fescue does not spread aggressively. It keeps its form through most of the year, especially in dry conditions. It works well along edges, pathways, and in gravel gardens. Suitable for USDA Zones 4 to 8. Now, lavender. Lavender is not just about fragrance. It also creates a structured, semi-woody form. When planted in groups, it forms consistent, low mounds that define space clearly. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Lavender grows best in USDA Zones 5 to 9, depending on the variety. Next, dwarf spruce. Dwarf spruce varieties maintain a compact, conical shape naturally. They add vertical structure without becoming overwhelming, and they hold their form year-round. These are ideal for focal points or anchoring corners of a garden. Most varieties grow well in USDA Zones 3 to 8. Now, hosta. Hostas form clean, symmetrical mounds of foliage. Each season, they emerge with a consistent shape that fills space evenly. They are especially useful in shaded areas where structure is harder to achieve. Hostas prefer moist, well-drained soil and partial to full shade. Suitable for USDA Zones 3 to 9. Finally, heuchera. Heuchera forms low, rounded clumps with dense foliage. Its shape remains stable while its color adds contrast and depth. It works well in borders and layered planting designs. Heuchera grows best in USDA Zones 4 to 9. When combined, these plants create a garden that feels intentional, not because it is constantly maintained, but because it is built on plants that naturally behave well. This approach reduces effort over time, and it creates a space that always looks composed. A garden can be structured without being rigid, and it can stay tidy without constant work. The key is choosing plants that hold their form from the start,